Good morning. Let me discuss about data analytics lifecycle model. The data analytics lifecycle model contains 6 phases. First one is discovery. The second one, data preparation. Third one, data model planning. Fourth one, data model building. Fifth one, data communication. And final one, operation. If there is any problem, again it will be continue in the same order. The first one is data discovery. Mainly focusing for the goal, and it has to identifying the problem. The data discovery also frame the problem. Second one is data preparation. The data preparation prepare the analytic sandbox. The third one is data model planning. It contains the methods. It focusing for the methods and techniques. Then fourth one is model building. The model building has developed data sets for testing, training and production purpose. Then fifth one is communication result. The communication result, it focusing for whether it will be success or not. So scenario analyze in the communication result. Then final one is operational. Deliver final deliverables, the model execution in the production environment along with process to update and retrain the model if we needed. If suppose any other problem arises, again the same process will be continue. That's it. Thank you.